Okay, we are now going to solve the math number 5. In this math, it is said the center of the circle is C, radius is 15, and there is a chord AB. Draw a chord AB which is suspended an angle with the center 131 degree. That means that angle is 131. Now as the radius is 15 centimeters, so this is 15, this one is also 15. Now I am drawing a perpendicular line from C to the AB, the CP. As a result, this angle is divided into two equal parts. So each angle is now 65.5. This one is 65.5, this one is 65.5. And now using triangle APC. In the triangle APC, it is, if I move like that, it is clear that here that one is base, that means PC is base, AP is height, and where is AC is hypotenuse. Now we know that sine theta or sine 65.5 degree equal to sine theta equal to height by hypotenuse. Here height is AP, hypotenuse is AC. Sine 65.5 is value is given 0.91, and I don't know the value of AP, but I know the value of AC, that is 50. So I got AP equal to 0.91 into 50. So the result is 13.65 centimeter. And we know that AB equal to 2 into AP, because I already said that that line is dividing the AB into two equal parts. So 2 into 13.65 centimeter, that is the value of AB. Now I have to find out the value of CP also, because in the math it is said find the perpendicular distance between the center and the AB chord. I already got the value of the length of the chord. Now I have to find out the CP. Okay, for that I am taking the next same triangle I can use. Now cos 65.5. Cos, I know that base by hypotenuse. Here is the base means PC and hypotenuse is AC. So PC equal to cos 65.5 value is 0.415 and AC is 50. Now if you multiply 6.225 centimeter, that is the result. So I got the value of AB is, multiply this and find out, and PC is that one. Okay, now I am going to solve the next math on math number 10. Here it is said a man is sitting in a window and he is seeing the top of the tower with a value of x degree, and he is also seeing the bottom of the tower, that is y degree. The angle of depression here y degree. Now you have to find out the length of the CD or length of the tower. It is said the distance between the window and the ground 10 meter. That means AB or DE equal to 10 meter. And also it is given tan x degree equal to 5 by 2 and tan y degree equal to 1 by 4. Now here that one is 90 degree. So if I turn this from that point, it is clear that if that is a right angle triangle, DE is a height, AE is a base, and AD is hypotenuse. Now, so from triangle ADE, what I got from triangle ADE, tan x degree equal to, we know that tan is equal to height by base, and which one is the height here? DE, and base is AE, and tan x, that is tan y, and tan y value is given, that is 1 by 4. So I got equal to DE value is, I know that 10, so 10 by AE. So I got AE equal to 10 into 4 equal to 40. So I got the value AE equal to 40. That means the distance between the window and the tower is 40 meter. Now using the triangle ACE, we got tan x degree equal to, we know that tan equal to height by base. Here in this section this is 90 degrees, so height is here AE and base is AE. So height by base, that means CE by base is here AE. And tan x degree is value is given 5 by 2 and CE I don't know, I have to find out CE, and AE I already got, that is 40. So CE is equal to 5 by 2 into 40. So that is 100 meter. So what is the length of the total tower? CD is equal to 10 plus 100 equal to 110 meter. I think the math is clear. Now I am going to last math for this. This is already solved. Okay, I am going to solve math number 19 that you got in 2014. That was in the 2014 maths in annual. Their question was there. Here it is said there is a plane in the A. He is seeing the two ships that is located in B and C that is opposite to the bank. Now you have to find out the width of the bank, that means you have to find out BC. The angle of elevation is given here 45 and 60 degree. And the height of the aeroplane from the ground is given, that is 250 meter. Now using triangle ABD, what I got? Tan 45 degree equal to height by base, right? Height is here AD and is by BD. So I got 1. Tan 45 degree equal to 1. AD is 250 and BD. So I got BD equal to 250. Similarly from triangle ADC, I got tan 60 degree equal to AD by DC. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. AD is 250 and DC I don't know. So DC is equal to 250 by root 3. So total BC is equal to 250 plus 250 root 3. 250 by root 3. Now by putting the value of root 3 you can simplify it further. In this way you have to solve the math of exercise 22.C. 20C actually. Okay, let's solve some another math and send it to me.